Hi guys, it's Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm here with more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This is going to be thunder and lightning sound effects. So if you're doing a film where two men are huddled up together in bed and there's a storm going on outside, then you can use this sound effect for those outdoor happenings. So I'll play them now. You know the reason you always hear thunder before you see lightning is because thunder, when played as an amazing sound effect, travels faster than the speed of light. Hope you found this useful. See you in the next video. Cheers.